Hello everyone, here we are on a Friday, the 21st of February 2020. It is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we're flying around the house on Clearview Road again. There's been a few changes made since we've been up this way last time. A little hard to tell from these angles from the drone, but they're getting siding up the whole way around that new part that they put on. That's the biggest change, and I think there's windows the whole way around also. The weather today is a little cool. It's about 32, 33 degrees, and the slight breeze blowing has a wind chill down about 28 degrees. But it's a nice, bright, sunny day, so it's not too bad. Enjoy the video. We'll see everyone later. Goodbye.